Hi friends, are you thinking about appearing for the BEE Energy Manager or Energy Auditor exam, but not sure what should be the exam preparation roadmap?
You're not alone. Thousands of engineers and sustainability professionals feel the same way every year. The BEE exam is one of the most respected certifications in India's energy sector, but without a clear plan, the syllabus can feel overwhelming. That's exactly why we have created this step-by-step preparation roadmap, so you can study smart, stay consistent, and confidently clear the exam in your first attempt.
Whether you're a working professional, a full-time student, or someone planning to switch into energy efficiency, sustainability, or ESG roles, this roadmap will give you more clarity and understanding. Because the truth is, the BEE exam isn't just another qualification, it's a career accelerator. It opens doors to high-impact roles, gives you credibility in the energy sector, and positions you as a specialist in one of the fastest-growing fields in India. So, let's dive into exactly how you should prepare, what to study first, how to manage your time, and how to build the confidence you need to clear the exam in your very first attempt. And hey, if you're new to the channel and looking for useful, high-quality content to help you prepare for the BEE Energy Auditor or Energy Manager exam, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and join our growing community here at Sustainability Plus. Your preparation deserves the best guidance, and we're here to support you every step of the way.
The BEE Energy Manager and Energy Auditor certifications are not just exams, they are career-defining milestones. These credentials open doors to high-impact roles in industries like manufacturing, power, cement, steel, FMCG, consulting, and even emerging fields like net zero planning and corporate sustainability. But with a vast syllabus, technical, numerical, and 4 different papers, many aspirants feel confused about where to begin and how to stay consistent. That's exactly why this roadmap exists, to simplify your journey, remove the guesswork, and guide you step by step from beginner to exam ready.
Step 1. Build your foundation. Understand the exam structure, syllabus, and basics.
Start by understanding the 4 papers, the syllabus, and the weightage of each topic.